Canary Wharf. Look how big that is. Oh, rich folk inside, isn't it? This is a bit loud because of this. Yeah. Okay, stations there. Lots of big buildings. No special. I'm here because, well, I'm waiting for a friend to message me, but he never got back to me. I messaged him earlier in the week and he never responded, so I thought I'd come to Canary Wharf, go to Greenwich, have a nice walk, you know, as you do, through the only place in the world where there's no trees. Oh, hang on a minute. I'm wrong, these are the only trees in Canary Wharf, but if you go on the streets, it's just metal trees. I suppose you've got to have some oxygen, I suppose.